everyone. So glad that you could join me today. We are going to be talking about cleansing balms. Cleansing balms have become huge in the skincare market right now, and for good reason. I want to first start off just telling you my first experience with cleansing balms, and we're going to be talking about a few of them, and I'm going to be showing them up here on the screen, and also we'll be mentioning them in the description box as well. So the first time I ever used a cleansing balm was the Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm, and I was amazed at how easily it took off all of my eye makeup and all of my makeup. Before that, I was using, maybe some of you still are, eye makeup remover, kind of a bifacile like the Lancome one. There was one from Sephora where you would shake it up and the oil and the water would come together just to take off the eye makeup. And I hate to say that I would use makeup wipes to take off some of my other makeup, which are really, really harsh on your skin. And they don't do a very good job of actually taking all of the dirt, makeup, and impurities off of your skin. So when I found this Clinique Take the Day Off, I was just amazed. I thought, this is amazing to take this, put it all over your face. It literally just melts everything off of your face, which was just such a wonderful experience. And my face felt cleaner. And so therefore, when I put other products on, serums or moisturizers, they were able to actually do what they're supposed to do. So that's my first experience. And that kind of sums up what a cleansing balm does. It is an oil-based balm that has a solid oily component, and it is combined with an emulsifier or a surfactant. And the surfactant or the emulsifier helps the oily substance to dissolve once water is combined with the actual balm. The way to apply a cleansing balm, and this is what I see most often people do wrong, you actually apply it onto dry skin. Most people, when they think to wash their face, you get some water on your face and then you apply the product. That is not the case with a cleansing balm. You put it on dry skin and you literally just gently rub it all over on your eyes. It's safe on your eyes. Take off all your makeup and you will look like a raccoon. You will have this makeup all over. Then you can lightly take a little bit of warm water, then mix that lightly in, and you will see it almost kind of look milky or creamy. And that is the surfactant or the emulsifiers actually mixing together with the oil and creating that milky substance that you can then take off with either a warm cloth. A lot of people love a muslin type cloth that just very gently takes it off, or you can use any other type of soft, gentle cloth to remove it from your face. In the evenings, I recommend a double cleanse where you would start with the cleansing balm, then go in with a very gentle, either a creamy or a gel cleanser, and then go in with the rest of your skincare. But we're not talking about that today. We're just talking about cleansing balms. So those are the benefits. It removes all the dirt, the makeup, the sunscreen. That's another thing is our sunscreens are so much better now, which is wonderful, but they do stay on our skin a lot longer, so you do need to remove them. And any impurities from the skin, it's excellent. That oil is excellent at breaking it down. The other thing I want to stress is that cleansing balms are for all skin types. A lot of people with oily skin think they can't use it. It's actually a fallacy. It is so good for getting that excess sebum and oil off of your face. And so I highly recommend cleansing balms to teenagers, to young girls, people with a lot of acne. I see so many people using the makeup wipes instead, and those are just doing so much damage and keeping all of that oil and dirt on your face, which in turn is going to create more acne, more breakouts. So a cleansing balm, I think, is one of the very, very most important steps in your skincare. If you don't clean your face well and gently, the other products that you have will not work as well. So you don't want to spend a ton of money on a serum that you're putting on to dirty skin. So that is my plug for cleansing balms. I think they're wonderful. We're going to talk about several that I'm going to recommend to you. The last thing I do want to say about cleansing balms is that they do help you to maintain your skin's moisture barrier, without stripping it, which is huge. And again, so good for normal, oily, dry, it doesn't matter your skin type. Cleansing balms are great for you. So let's talk about a few products, ones that I recommend. I talked quickly about the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. It's a great one. I'm actually putting up here on the screen not only a picture, but the ingredients, and you can pause it and blow it up if you want to look at the ingredients. This is a standard size, is about 3.8 ounces. It's $31. It is very easily found in department stores, Sephora, Ulta, anywhere they sell Clinique. It is for all skin types, and it is an Allure Best of Beauty award winner pretty regularly. And it is a great one. It can come in a mini size if you want to try that one out. It's where I started, and I really do like that one quite a bit. The one that I'm loving the most right now is from Glow Recipe, and it is their Papaya Sorbet Smoothing Enzyme Cleansing Balm and Makeup Remover. Very long name. It's $32 for 3.4 ounces. It does have some papaya extracts and I believe pineapple as well. I'm not sure, but has a few very lightly exfoliating enzymes, fruit enzymes that are great for helping your skin to just clean off your skin a little bit better. You are going to be taking that off. I don't ever feel any tingling. The experience with this one is excellent. The smell, and there's no added fragrance, but it just has a wonderful scent. It's very gentle. It just emulsifies beautifully. It's a great product. I've really been enjoying that new Glow Recipe one. The Farmacy has their Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm, which again is an Allure Best of Beauty award. It's $34 for 3.4 ounces. It's a beautiful, looks like lime sherbet. It's a beautiful experience. The smell is very light, and it just easily cleans all of your makeup. This is a cult favorite for a reason. It's a really nice, good product. A more affordable choice from Sephora right now is from the Inkey list. And this is their Oat Cleansing Balm. It comes in a tube, a little different, instead of having to dip into a tub. It is $9.99 for 5 ounces. So you get quite a bit of product. It is an Allure Best of Beauty award winner as well for this year. It is a beautiful, easy to use product. It's not the experience that the other ones are. There's really not a fragrance to it at all. And it has a little bit of a grittiness to it, but it does do a nice job of taking all of your makeup off, and it's very soothing and calming to your skin. So I do really recommend that. If you have incredibly sensitive skin, that Oat Cleansing Balm would be a really nice one. One of my very favorites is from Banila Co. It is their Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm. It is $19 for 3.3 ounces. This is from the Korean beauty world. And this is really where a lot of the oil cleansing came from. And it's a beautiful product. It has a very slight scent, but nothing too strong. It's very similar to the Clinique Take the Day Off. It's kind of a white, clear type of balm. And it's just very, very slick. You don't need very much of it. Put it all over your face and all of your makeup will come off. It's a lovely product. The Elemis Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm is another one that is really popular. It's very pricey, $64 for 3.7 ounces. It has almost a kind of a, not a tingly feel, but it's definitely a cooling feeling to it. And it is a really nice balm. I enjoy this balm, but for me, it's a little bit expensive because I know that there are others that are much less expensive that give me a very similar experience. But this is a very nice one. And if you enjoy Elemis products, then I guarantee you will enjoy this balm as well. One from the drugstore, the Physicians Formula, the Perfect Matcha 3-in-1 Melting Cleansing Balm has become very popular. It is very similar to the Farmacy's Green Clean. In the look of it, it looks like the lime sherbet. It is $14.99 for 1.4 ounces. So really, when you do the math on this, this is actually not the best deal because even for the Green Clean, you get you get double the amount of product for really roughly, I guess, about double the amount of money. So they're about the same price. I do like the size container this comes in. I actually like to use this one when I travel because it is a little bit of a smaller amount, and it is a really nice one. It works very well. It takes all the makeup off and really does an excellent job. The last one I'm going to talk about is one I haven't tried, but I actually just bought it during the Amazon Prime days, and I would recommend it. I've heard so many people recommend it, so I can't recommend it yet, but I am going to be trying it, and it's the I'm From Fig Cleansing Balm from the I'm From company, which is also a K-Beauty company. This one is $30 for 3.88 ounces. And people have just been raving about this, saying such wonderful things about it. I'm really looking forward to giving it a try and seeing what it's like. So I hope that I've sold you on cleansing balms. I really am a huge believer in cleansing balms. I feel like they are so wonderful for your skin. And I want you to embrace the experience, the spa-like experience that you can get from using a cleansing balm. I feel like that's what keeps me coming back every night, and it makes me look forward to it. Finding one that you really connect with and has a wonderful fragrance and has a wonderful slip to it. It's just really nourishing to your skin, and I guarantee that you will find one that you really like, as companies are just coming out with more and more all the time. I have just talked about a very small amount of the cleansing balms that are out on the market right now. Do you have a favorite cleansing balm? If you do, let me know in the comments below. I love to try new cleansing balms all the time, and I'd love to hear what your favorites are. If you're enjoying my channel and hearing about skincare and makeup that's affordable, that's effective, that's fun, I would love it if you would subscribe and go ahead and hit that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you would like me to focus on more skincare related reviews. Thank you so much for coming, and I hope you have a wonderful day.